The challenge in privacy is we have unlimited ability to capture data, store data, and implement data. And it's very difficult to restrain those abilities once they're rolled out. For instance, face recognition is something that is relatively simple to do now, and passing a law against it will stop it among some companies that follow the law. But there's, other places and governments that are going to implement it in a widespread fashion. And if, another security panic like happened after 9/11 occurs, then we're going to see that slide back. So in New York City now, you have to show an ID before you go into any big commercial building. And I predict in a few years, you won't have to show ID because they'll have your face available to them, and they'll be able to check who you are without you even slowing down. So I am Steven Levy, editor-at-large at Wired and author of 8 books. Watch me on the Technologist of the Month podcast.